Hey everyone. So I have a 14 by 18 canvas and we're going to do a controlled pour with my favorite colors. That would be Prussian blue, turquoise, lime green, and then I'm going to throw in a couple of oddball colors just to see what happens. This cord is going to be in my way. Okay, so I have Grumbacher Prussian blue, and this is the Lucas turquoise from Jerry's Artorama. Love their paint. Grumbacher Phthalo yellow green. This one is Folk Art metallic aquamarine, and this is a Craft Smart Seamus pearl that I use all the time. I feel like I need one more dark color, so I might put another metallic in there, and let's try, maybe I'll do a midnight blue. This is a Craft Smart metallic as well, midnight blue. So I think we're going to need 4 cups for this, but they're, you know, they're not going to be full, so we don't fill them to the top. So I'm going to go ahead and get those ready and spray them with my WD-40 silicone spray. Okay. So I'm going to start with, I think I'm going to start with this midnight blue because it's so pretty. We'll be using it again because I'm going to try to double layer. Alright, and then I'm going to go with the Grumbacher Phthalo yellow green. And then I'm going to follow that with the Prussian blue. And I'm trying, oops, that's not good. It leaked right out of there. Cheapy squirt bottles. Okay. And then I'm going to add, I'm going to go ahead with the turquoise, and then I'm going to add some white. Because I want that turquoise next to that Prussian blue. Okay. And my big bottle of white. I don't know how long I'll be able to use this bottle because I feel like I have arthritis in my thumb and in my index finger, so I feel like that I'm not going to be able to hold on to it when it's full. So I'm halfway and it's not too bad. I might have to just use that as storage. I'm going to go ahead and follow with the Seamus pearl. And then the aquamarine metallic from Folk Art. That was a big bubble that just came out of there. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use all the colors again, but I definitely want to use that midnight blue again. Three pearls right there. And some Prussian blue. I'll probably have leftover paint. We'll see. Turquoise. I'm going to shove that. I don't know if I want any more lime green in there because sometimes it takes over. So I'm going to go ahead and take the aquamarine and push that down through. And the Seamus pearl. I don't want it dark. Okay, So I'm not even going to stir those because I did a lot of placement of color inside the cup. So I'll get my canvas right there for you. Okay. See what I mean about the green? One shot of that was enough for sure. I just love the turquoise with the Prussian blue. Oh, that's pretty right there too. And I like to overlap my ribbons. That's that midnight blue, and it has no cells, so that's good to know. All right. I'm going to bring that across there. And what I have is green. So I'm going to bring that down along the edge. We're going to end up pouring that part off anyway. So, can you guys tell I'm tired? I really wanted to paint tonight, so I'm pushing through. Because I'm tough. I won't be saying that tomorrow when I'm dragging. Okay. So I have that there, and I have that there, and I have it there. So I might as well bring it this way. And then across. And there's the green. So we'll bring that this way. I'll probably be pouring a lot of paint off of here. Okay. Interesting. Let's pop some bubbles first. Okay. I see lots of things bubbling. So I want to get them touching. I have one stubborn spot there. Come on. Behave. Play nice. There we go. Now that midnight blue is going to dry really dark, so it's very prominent in this painting. Let's go ahead and get my corner here. I'm going to go right to the opposite side. Let's do the same here. I don't want to lose too much of that seamless lacing there. And I'm going to head back to this corner over here. Okay. I'm going to bring some action down here. Oh, we got lots of caterpillaring going on. That's good. So if you're new, go ahead and click subscribe while you're here. And hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. And you will get a notification when I upload my next video. And in the description box are my links for my Amazon shop, where you can purchase all your supplies, my Etsy shop if you want to purchase a painting, my Facebook page where you can contact me and see dried paintings, That's pretty much my go-to for contacting me. And I also have a PayPal link there if you'd like to be a sponsor for my channel. We do quarterly giveaways for our sponsors. We don't publicly announce your name unless you want me to. And we're going to do some great prizes. Actually, the painting that I'm making for my subscriber giveaway, or my sponsor giveaway, is phenomenal. So, it's not too late. I'm going to be doing it in August, so you have time if you want to sponsor. Yeah, that midnight blue is going to be gorgeous when it dries, because right now it just kind of looks like it doesn't belong there, but it's going to be so pretty and metallic-y and dark. It's not letting anything through it, which is kind of cool, because I'm really forcing there and it didn't want to let anything come up, because the turquoise blue is trying to come up through it, but it did here. So it may as it's setting. I like this painting. It's pretty. And the lime green did not take over. The aquamarine did. But it's gorgeous. I think it's pretty. So click like and share. Leave a comment. Don't forget to stop in on Facebook and see the dried paintings. I try to post them once a week, but of course, with me being on vacation, nothing got posted. I've got a lot of catching up to do tomorrow. Here's your close-up. All the little caterpillars. Quite interesting. Different for me, for sure. And I've got some beautiful runoff here to pull skins. So that's what I'm going to do when I shut the camera off. So thanks for joining me, everybody. Stay tuned for the 10,000 subscriber announcement on how to win prizes. I showed them on my Monday Night Live. I showed 2 of them. And you'll be the first to know. So I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.